and welcome to this week's broadcast. I am Anne Follette, a surface pattern designer, online educator, and creative entrepreneur. And I am excited to be here this week because I want to talk to you about my free mini course, From Doodles to Dollars. I only offer this free mini course a couple times a year, twice in fact, so you don't want to miss it. And let me tell you everything that you get when you join. And as I mentioned, it's totally free and it's incredibly valuable. Students rave about it because I actually teach you a very valuable skill in the mini course. I don't just talk about it. I actually teach it to you step by step. And here's what you discover. You'll take a little sketch, we'll bring it into Adobe Illustrator together, and I will show you the step-by-step process to turn that little doodle or little sketch into a repeating pattern using the magic of Adobe Illustrator. And by the end of the mini course, you will actually have a design that you can put on a variety of different products. You can decide to put it on wrapping paper or wallpaper. You can also decide to put it on fabric that you can then turn into something and sew into something. You can put it on a variety of different products, everything from an iPhone case to a mug to a notebook. The list goes on and on and on. So enrollment is open right now. And so there is a link below this video for you to click on. And the reason that you need to enroll is because there are 3 different components to this mini course. And while it's free, you're not going to get them unless you actually enroll. So don't miss clicking the link below to join us because it starts next week. So let me tell you what you get. And I'm super, super excited to share about all of these incredible goodies and valuable support that you get over the course of the mini course. So the first thing that you get is you get videos from me. And each of the videos is about 15 to 20 minutes long. And each one of them breaks down a very critical step in the process. And so when you're watching the video, you'll watch me take step by step a sketch that you've created. You'll bring it into Adobe Illustrator. We'll add color to it and we'll turn it into a beautiful repeating pattern together. So there are 4 videos in total because I wanted to break the process down into bite-sized pieces. Now, in addition to the videos, I have created absolutely beautiful downloadable guides or cheat sheets, and they include written instructions. And so if you're someone who loves to sort of watch the video, but also follow along with a detailed guide that gives you each step like one by one, so that you can follow along and take notes. If you love that, you will also get these guides. And these guides will be sent to you via email, which is why you need to sign up. Now, the third thing that you get, which is part of what makes this so incredibly fun and engaging, is the live component, meaning I'm going to be live 4 times, in fact, more than 4 times, to answer your questions. And so the rhythm that we get into inside the mini course is you get a video on a Monday. I go live on a Tuesday to talk to you more about it, to answer your questions, to troubleshoot, to make sure that you have the guidance you need to complete that first step. On Wednesday, you get another video as well as the downloadable guide. And then on Thursday, I'm live to answer your questions, to troubleshoot, to make sure that you're making progress and that you're ready to move on to the next step. On Friday, you get a video and a downloadable guide. And on Saturday and Sunday, I will be live to troubleshoot because when we get to the 3rd video, you're actually learning how to do the repeating pattern. And so I want to be there every step along the way to help you achieve success. So Saturday and Sunday, I'll be live answering your questions. Then on Monday, you get the last video. And I'm also live on that day because I'll be opening registration to my paid program, the Pattern Design Academy. And then I'm live every day for 4 days straight, the following Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I can continue to troubleshoot with you if you still haven't gotten your pattern to work properly, and also to talk to you more about the opportunity to join me and to go much, much deeper in my Pattern Design Academy program. So I couldn't be more excited to share this news with you. And as I said, I only offer this program twice a year now. I used to offer it a lot more often, and I'm paring back. And so I want to be able to really focus on you and having you achieve success with your first repeating pattern inside Adobe Illustrator. And so please click the link below and join us. It's super, super fun, and I can't wait to get started. I always like to say in closing that I am Anna Follett, and it's never too late to create. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in Doodles. If you enjoyed this broadcast, don't forget to pop over to my website, annlafollettart.com, and you'll land on a page that looks like this. If you scroll down just a little bit, I'm always highlighting in this banner area something new that's happening in my business or something that I would love for you to explore. And so always pop over here and check this area out. In addition, if you scroll down a little bit further, I'm always changing up my offerings in order to serve you best and continue to share the latest and greatest information about the surface design industry and how you can craft a career that you love in pattern design. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, you can follow me on Instagram and then also pop over to my YouTube channel. And I would love for you to hit the red subscribe button as well as the little bell so that you're notified whenever I have a new broadcast. Thank you so much for being a part of my creative community, and bye for now.